In 1985, a man shot himself on live television to prove he was innocent. His name was R. Bud Dwyer. He was the state treasurer of Pennsylvania. Dwyer had been convicted of accepting a bribe in a government contract scandal. He insisted he was innocent and claimed he was being framed. The day before he was scheduled to be sentenced and likely sent to prison, he called a press conference. Reporters packed the room. Cameras were rolling live. Dwyer began reading a long, prepared statement. He said he would not resign. He said he would not accept guilt for something he claimed he didn't do. Then he did something no one expected. He pulled a large envelope from a folder. Inside was a revolver. The room erupted in panic. People screamed. Some thought it was a bluff. It wasn't. Dwyer told everyone to step back. He placed the gun in his mouth and pulled the trigger. The footage aired on television stations across Pennsylvania before many networks realized what had happened. It remains one of the most shocking moments ever broadcast live. Years later, debate still surrounds the case. Some believe he was corrupt. Others believe he was a victim of political manipulation. But what remains undeniable is this: a sitting state official chose to end his life in front of cameras, to make a statement, and millions witnessed it in real time.
You remember that day? We were just sitting there. Couldn't believe what we were seeing. I heard Mom gasp. I didn't understand at first. No one did. How could you? That kind of thing just doesn't happen.
Dwyer's case is a stark reminder of our responsibility to contemplate the moralities in politics.
But did it change anything? Did anyone dare follow up on corruption claims?
Some did, but systemic change, unfortunately, takes more than a tragic gesture.